Hello everybody. In today's video I am going to make a small review of the new Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough 3 Days Business Challenge. I'm very excited to bring that to you, and as you can see I'm already logged into the members area. I watch all 3 days and it's amazing. Who is Jonathan Montoya? Jonathan Montoya is a guy who had an $80,000 per year engineering job, and he quit in the middle of the pandemic to start working online, and he started with affiliate marketing business. And then he created this 3 days business breakthrough challenge to help other affiliate marketers who are struggling to get started in this profitable niche and start to make money online. Basically, the challenge, like its name says, is divided to 3 days, and there is no guarantee, obviously, but I think that you can start earning your money in 3 days. Unlike other challenges, 3 days is a nice small amount of time, because you keep the momentum, and at the same time it is not too crowded, and the videos are not too long. They're like 20-40 minutes videos, and you can follow because Jonathan makes it very easy to follow. So in day one, you will learn what affiliate marketing is and how you can start your own affiliate marketing business. You will also learn a little more about how Jonathan quit his job and made a lot of money in 9 months. So in day two, you will learn how to build your online business in 30 minutes. So how to build your sales funnel, how to make your email responder sequences and everything. And at the day three, you will learn how to drive traffic to your already proven and automated system and start making money. There's a lot of bonuses available, so you will grab that too. Also, there is a workbook which you can print and have on your desk to remember what you learned in these 3 days. So if you want to buy this 3 days business breakthrough challenge for only $7, click the link in the description. Also, if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to this channel for more good videos like this one. Thank you.